Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Soft Serve Ice Cream Maker. It's a lot of fun to use. It's great to do with your kids or with your nieces and nephews. It makes 1.5 quarts of soft serve style ice cream, and you can even use a yogurt recipe in this. It's a lot of fun. It's really easy to use. Let me just show you. You lift this up. This is where your dasher is and your auger, which helps dispense your ice cream. This is your freezer bowl. This goes right in the freezer. We recommend that you put it in there overnight or at least for 8 hours at 0 degrees. You can mount this right back on, clicks right into place, and there's a porthole here so you can add your ingredients through here or put them in before you put the lid on. It's really simple to operate. There's a little dial on the side. You turn it on, and in about 20-25 minutes, you'll have soft serve ice cream. It's really fun to use. You just pull down this handle like this, and it'll dispense your ice cream. But the part that kids love the best are the mix-it-ins. There's 3 containers right here in which you can have your mix-it-ins. The thing to remember is we give you this little cone, and if the item fits through this cone hole, then you can use it as a mix-it-in. That's very important. The way to activate it is pull out your little lever. You can choose 1, 2, or 3 mix-it-ins at one time, and it'll be dispensed into your ice cream as you pull the handle down. This right here is where you can put your cones. You can either put flat cones like I used, or you can use waffle cones. It has a really nice drip tray right here, which will catch any spills or drips that you made. It's a lot of fun to use. It's a lot of fun for kids to do with you also. So enjoy homemade soft serve ice cream.